Welcome to Autopedia, where the world of supercars comes alive, and today we present to you the legendary Lamborghini Aventador machine that is more than just a car. It is a symbol of extreme performance, bold design and unmatched luxury. From the moment your eyes meet its sharp lines and low wide stance, you know this is not an ordinary vehicle, it is an experience. The front of the Aventador is aggressive with angular headlights and aerodynamic cuts that slice through the air like a blade. Each detail serves a purpose, and that purpose is speed. As the scissor doors rise into the air, you are not just stepping into a car, you are entering a spaceship made for the roads. The body of the Aventador shines under the bright lights of a luxury showroom. Its curves, its stance, its style, everything screams power, elegance and prestige. The color, whether matte black, fiery red or pearl white, adds a unique character to the beast, and every reflection on the surface tells the story of a masterpiece. Underneath this beautiful body is a 12-cylinder V engine that roars like a lion. It produces 770 horsepower and launches this machine from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in only 2.8 seconds. The sound of the engine is a symphony of raw energy. Each rev sends vibrations through your soul, and every gear shift feels like thunder. This is not just speed, this is rage under control. This is passion turned into motion. Sit inside and the cockpit welcomes you like the inside of a fighter jet. High-quality leather touches of carbon fiber and futuristic digital displays surround you. The red flip cover on the start button teases your senses. Push it and the V12 wakes up with the sound that turns heads and starts conversations. The steering wheel feels solid, the seats hug you like they are ready for a battle, and the entire cabin makes you feel like a king in his chariot. Outside the showroom, the Aventador becomes a magnet for eyes. People stop, stare and admire as the sun reflects off its sharp body lines. Photographers snap photos, children point with excitement, and supercar lovers whisper in awe. It is more than a machine, it is a living legend, a dream on four wheels crafted for those who dare to be different. This car is not just about power, it is about presence. It is about the feeling you get when you walk toward it, keys in hand, heart racing, knowing that the moment you start it, the world around you will notice. Whether it is parked in front of a luxury hotel, cruising through a city at night, or displayed in a high-end dealership, the Aventador makes a statement without saying a word. Even the rear of the car is designed to impress, with aggressive taillights, massive exhausts and a diffuser that looks like it belongs on a racetrack. It is beauty and beast combined. The tires grip the road with authority, and every movement feels precise. Every curve on the road is an invitation, and every straight stretch is a runway. The Lamborghini Aventador is not for everyone. It is for those who demand the best, who live for the thrill, who see driving not as a task but as an art form. It is for dreamers, for achievers, for those who believe in pushing boundaries. At Autopedia, we bring you not just reviews but experiences. We bring the essence of machines like the Aventador directly to your screen so you can see, feel and understand what makes them special. And today you have witnessed the glory of one of the greatest supercars ever built. Thank you for watching this episode of Autopedia. If you are a fan of speed, design and passion, then this channel is for you. Make sure to follow for more breathtaking machines, more engine roars and more automotive legends, because the road is endless and the journey has just begun.